Hello, my name is Tatiana Villagran. I'm from Bogota. Bogota is a city in Colombia. I study on the University Engineer Systems. I speak Spanish. I am 23 years old. I like short time with family and I had injustice. These are my activities on a typical day. Wake up at 8 a.m., take a shower. At 9 a.m., I wake up my son. We have breakfast and I bath my son. At 12 a.m., I make lunch and at 1 p.m. we have lunch together. And 2 p.m. I do some work for the university and at 5 p.m. I do activities with my son. At 7 p.m. we had dinner and finally at 10 p.m. we went to sleep. Thanks.